So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you a recent graduate looking to kickstart your career in software engineering? Well, you are in the right place. Harman, a global leader in connected technologies, is hiring for an exciting opportunity in Bangalore, India, and you might be the perfect fit for that. So in today's video, we'll dive into the role of associate software engineer graduate at Harman and what makes it a great career move. So stick around for all the details and how to apply and what you can expect from this role. So the position is going to be of associate software engineer that you can see on your screen, and it's for graduate from campus. If you're from 24 or 25 pass out, you are a great fit for this. So basically, the date it posted on 20th Feb, which is today. I mean, sorry, it was posted yesterday. So it's a very good role, and uh, Harman, which is the one of top companies, actually looking for a talented and passionate associate software engineer to join their team in Bangalore, India. So this position is basically ideal for the recent graduates who are ready to start their journey in the software development world. So, as an associate software engineer, you would be working on innovative projects that push the boundaries of technology in a collaborative environment. And you'll also gain hands-on experience in software development, integration in software development, integration and testing, and much more while contributing to groundbreaking projects in connected technologies. So, let's understand the key responsibilities of this particular job. So key responsibilities is not you can find from here, but it's not showing as of now. But I will try to break down it. So basically, the key responsibility is going to be like something around collaborating with senior engineers and team to design, develop, and test software solutions. Participating in coding, debugging, enhancing existing software applications. You would also be, involved into troubleshooting and fixing issues across the SDLC and gaining practical experience in software architecture and development processes. You would also be contributing to team innovations by bringing the fresh perspectives and ideas to the table. And what Harman is looking for, so they, as I already mentioned, they are looking for a fresh graduate with a passion of software engineering and solid foundation in programming languages like Java, C++, Python, or similar languages like JavaScript or etc, and knowledge of software development like methodologies like SDLC, and how like from deployment, from development to deployment phase, how the software development actually works. So the team oriented mindset with strong problem solving skill is something which they are looking for, and you must have the eagerness to learn and grow in a dynamic tech environment. So what Harman is going to offer at this role, so you'll get a dynamic work environment where creativity and innovations are valued, and you will get a hands-on training and mentorship to help you grow as a software engineer. Along with that, you will get the opportunity to work on cutting-edge projects in the field of connected technologies, and you'll get the exposure to a global team and chance to make an impact on products and around the world. So that's it. This is an incredible opportunity for fresh graduates who are eager to start their career in the world of software engineering. At Herman, you will not only grow as a developer but also be a part of a global team shaping the future of connected technologies. So if this sounds like the perfect role for you, don't wait. Click on the link in the description and below to apply now and take your first step towards an exciting career at Herman in Bangalore. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more career opportunities. And if you got any questions, drop them in the comment below, and we would love to hear from you, and we would be try to answer them all of them as soon as possible. That's it. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job search. See you in the next video.